Hey, welcome back to another iMovie tutorials. In this video, you're going to learn how to use or edit the green screen on iMovie. So to do that, all you have to do is go and click on iMovie. As you get inside the application that is iMovie, make sure you just full size it so that will make things much easier. So here you can see I have multiple videos, but we will be using green screen, and make sure that the green screen usually drops by. So first, all you have to do is select any video. For example, we need this subscribe button, but in case if you see that, it appears on the top of that video and you can't see the video below it. So we want the only green part. So we'll first cut it, Control B, Control X in order to cut it. And we need this part, which is Control B, again Control X, we don't need this one. And we need this green part, green screen part. So we'll go on, click B, exit this part, and we need it from here till, alright, we will need it till here. Control B and exit the rest of the part. So this is our green part, but usually it doesn't appear. We want that to appear on this video, so we want to use it properly. We're just gonna click on that green screen video, not the lower one but the upper one, and click. You can see these two squares, and click on this cutaway, and you will see multiple options. Click on green blue screen. If you click it, it will automatically work. You can see that the green screen has been removed, and you can see the subscribe button is going to appear on your video. So that's a very simple and easy step in order for you to work while using the subscribe buttons. And even if you're using something else that is not subscribe button, you want to add something and write something down, you can as well do that. And if you find this video really helpful in understanding how to use green screen on your iMovie, please make sure to leave a comment below, and we will catch you up in the next video. And subscribe this channel. See you soon. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.